Counterproductive emotional reactions are implicated in mood disorders, addictive disorders, and relationship problems. To extricate yourself from these recurring patterns of bad outcomes, it's important to understand why you react the way you do. This is the personal research tool. It's a simple 3-column form that will help you discover what causes you to react to the things that happen as you do. So let's use it now to deconstruct the sequence of external events and internal states that led to the unwanted outcome. To get some familiarity with this method, think back to a time when you overreacted to something that happened. We'll start by recording your emotional reaction in the 3rd column, column C. Write down the name of the emotion, let's say anger, and rate its intensity on a scale from 0, which would be no anger, to 100, which is the most angry you've ever felt in your life. Now go to column A and record the antecedent condition, the event that seemed to trigger your emotional reaction. Record exactly what happened so that an actor reading your description would be able to replicate the event. And now we'll explore what went on in the space between the stimulus and your response. Now I want you to understand that we are not looking for the rational, healthy analysis of what happened, but the interpretation that caused the excessive or counterproductive emotional reaction. So think back to the thoughts and images that went through your mind at the moment that may account for your emotional reaction, and jot down your notes in column B. Now let's go deeper and explore the perspectives and the premises that influenced your interpretations of the things that happened. See if you can get at them by putting yourself back into the mindset you were in at the time and asking yourself questions such as, what does this event say about me? What does it mean about my life, my future? What was I afraid could happen? What does this mean about how this person thinks about me, or how people in general think about me? What does it mean about this person, or about people in general? What images or memories does this situation trigger? Record your answers in this column. If you can recall specific thoughts, especially recurring ideas, quote them here. And you can probe your psyche deeper still by seeing where your original premises lead you. For example, if she really is trying to hurt me, what does that say about me, her, or the future? Again, record your notes in this column. Now review the notes you've written in this middle column and circle the premise that best explains what caused you to interpret the antecedent event as you did.